Hi, I'm some guy. You can call me Hackney3. And today, I'm making a hofflin. Doesn't have to be a hofflin, but I made it under the pretense of being a hofflin. So, I'm calling it a hofflin. The time for creation has begun. Here I start off by making the colours for the hofflin. I begin with the colour of the outfit. Once I have that done, I start on making the colour for the hair. I then make the colour for the skin tone. Once I have the skin tone done, I work on the shape and size of the torso, comparing it to a previous one I've made. That one's a half orc. Here I am making a hole for the neck and making the head as well. I make a hole in both the torso and the head so I can put the neck in. Here I'm rolling out the colour for the clothes so I can then put that on the torso later. Right now I'm making a base layer of white. After creating the white base layer for the shirt, I then apply. After a few adjustments, I applied the main blue outfit. Here I'm trimming down the outfit. I decided I'd make a collar for the outfit, so here that is. And then I had a white inner for the collar. here I am beginning to make the hair, and then applying it to the head. And there we go, the final product. I intend to add more play-by-play commentary and or performatory voiceovers, but that comes with practice and time, just like making things out of clay. As for now, I think that's about it. Not much more to say. Thanks for watching.